If you haven't tried smoking meatballs yet, you definitely have to add it to your Traeger smoker bucket list. They are so freaking good. Italian smoked food is unlike anything else, so I'm just gonna walk you through it really quickly so you can do this at home. So you just need to either make meatballs. I have a recipe for you at Sip Bite to Go, or you store-bought meatballs that are about 3 inches wide diameter-ish. And then you pop those in the Traeger pellet grill at 225 degrees Fahrenheit on a sheet pan that has a rack on it. So they smoke for about an hour at 225 degrees. Then you remove the meatballs from the smoker and you just need to raise the temperature of the pellet grill to like 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you're gonna actually put some sauce in a pan, then add the meatballs to it. Here I'm using like the ceramic cast iron thing. You could just use a regular cast iron skillet if you want. So then just pour the rest of the pasta sauce on top. For tomato sauce, I love using vodka sauce, but you could use anything. So you just put that all in there and it smokes for about 45 more minutes at a higher temperature of 325 degrees Fahrenheit. So you just keep smoking them until they reach an internal temperature of about 160, 165. During this time, during that last 45 minutes, I usually put some pasta on the stove, start cooking it up, or I prep some sub rolls and we make some smoked meatball sandwiches. So this is such a tasty recipe. It's really different, like I said. It kind of nothing like smoked pork or smoked chicken. Like Italian food, the pasta sauce just takes on such a smoky flavor. We used hickory, which is a super strong wood chip flavor to use. You could also use like alderwood or something a little bit more mellow. This we did for a Sunday night dinner. It was delicious. They were tender and had a beautiful color inside, kind of like smoked brisket. You can get the full recipe and more at Sip Bite to Go.